Hello, kumusta ang lahat? Happy New Year! It's me again, Ate Irene. It's been a few days na hindi ako nagawa ng videos. I felt drained spiritually. Been few days gumawa ng prayer videos for 7 days journey before 2026. And my allergy and the medicine that I'm taking made me feel sleepy. At hindi ako nagpapatalo sa distraction ng evil spirits. And thank God, nagawa ko ang 7 videos. I believe God hears our prayers because 2 or more people calling His name ay nandoon siya, lalo na if we pray for each other. It's New Year, new journey for those who wanted to restart, reset, and refresh for the next chapter of their lives. I hope you will do it with intent, maturity, and you will let God lead your move to a better you. I know it will not be easy, but when you look back, it is better than doing nothing. If you'll just bring back the negative things and regrets, you will waste and lost time for yourself to heal and move on. May mga bagay na hindi na maibabalik at may mga bagay na maaari mo pang gawin as long as God give you the chance to live. You can do so much more than you think as long as you are just focused on your goal. Just do it one step at a time. As I've said in the previous videos, list the things that you can do or doable at the moment and pray for your bigger plans. According to the Bible, if you can be trusted with small things, you can be trusted with bigger blessings. God can do supernatural provision and it will happen fast. He is amazing God. Just believe and have faith that it will happen to your life. And for that, may God be praised. God bless.